The change in the weather's affecting me deeper this year. It's another reminder that time is passing by. Am I doing the right things, pursuing the right dreams? I'll go for a drive as I take in the scenery, look up at changing leaves. It's then I decide to let it go. Let it go. There's a price that you pay for deciding not to take the coming away. I've always liked being different, but this is the difference. I never like to fail, but there's people I meet who are so much like me. Just fine, so I fill up my chest with another deep breath and close my eyes, let it go. Out the window, just let it flow out of my mind, 'cause I'll never know take is when things